We are cooking Jamaican Festivals, aka Caribbean dumplings, the Jamaican way. We're following the Jamaican recipe to the latter. We have some technicalities. We couldn't get cornmeal. What's the taste? Huh?
And I've started.
Hi guys, ever since I tried Jamaica Festivals, I've been craving for them thanks to Judy. So today I bought everything to try out the Jamaican Festival. I'm gonna need the dough. I hope I have everything because I went shopping, and I don't know, I think I need cornmeal, but this is corn flour. So guys, tell me the difference between cornmeal and corn flour. And if you're in Kenya, where can I get a cornmeal? Because I need to make this thing. Because Judy told me like this is not the thing that we need, but I'm gonna see it. So wish me luck. Okay.
So what are the ingredients?
So ingredients are, I have cornmeal, corn flour. I have self-rising flour. We have some sugar, some spices. So I've chosen cardamom. I don't have another spice. And we have some milk here. So I'm gonna try and do it. Let me see if I have everything for the ingredient on a video.
You've forgotten blue band. Blue band.
Oh, and blue band. We're supposed to use
butter, but we've decided.
We're supposed to use butter, but I've decided to use this blue band margarine. I don't know. I'm scared what will come out of this. But as long as every ingredient is there, that's what matters. Akibona see on your screen. Your WhatsApp on your WhatsApp. So the ingredients are for the Jamaican Festival. Flour, we have cornmeal, which I don't know. Baking powder, we don't have baking powder, but this one already comes with whatever. Salt, sugar, soft butter. We're going to use margarine as a soft butter, and water or milk, nutmeg and vanilla extra. So let me go and get vanilla extract. And our spice, you're going to use this one.
Did you bring vanilla extract?
I don't have. And oil for frying. So let me need the dough.
Niko kwa camera.
Okay. So I'm gonna watch a recipe called by Morris Time Cooking. I think he's Jamaican. I'm gonna watch this recipe.
Wagwan, what's great? Chef John Morris again, man, presenting to you today my festival recipe. Yeah, man, I
know about sardine, mackerel, bully beef, chicken foot, chicken neck, chicken.
So the cornmeal looks like this. I'm already feel defeated because the cornmeal I'm seeing here, it's yellow and this one is white. So I don't know how it will work. But I'm gonna follow the recipe and hope for the best. I'm gonna mix all the dry ingredients.
Hakuna mayai.
So instead of the butter, we're going to use the margarine because my sister Nana doesn't like butter. So we don't make the butter because we want it to feel like a breadcrumb. Okay, I can see what tunalana. Acha nisijifanye expert.
Judy, mafuta ya ku deep fry.
So I'm gonna mix it. So you have to deep fry here. So we're gonna to the fire hivi. Alafu now I'm gonna put we're going to mix we're just following this video. Then 1 tablespoon of vanilla extract. You can add water, but I choose milk. See in a bit. So this is how the dal looks like. It's almost like the mandazi dal, but it's supposed to be yellow, but we're gonna do as we can. So we're gonna let it sit. We're gonna let it sit for I'm going to wrap it with a kitamba or foil and let it sit for like maybe, I don't know, I'll write it here, maybe 1 hour or something. Okay, later. Commercial break. I'm in the kitchen and I'm waiting for the cornmeal to rise. Set it aside for it to rise. To be honest, I'm really worried because of the corn flour. We're supposed to use cornmeal, so I don't know. And surprisingly, the cornmeal, in my head when I was buying it at the supermarket, I saw the brand like with yellow, so I presume it's gonna be yellow. So the thing that is worrying me is the white flour, but my sister is telling me that it will turn out okay, so I'm crossing fingers. So the next time, Judy told me like I should search for lenta. So you guys, if you know, like, let me know the difference between cornmeal and cornstarch. That I will really want to know. And if you can, not cornstarch, corn flour, and if I can replace like cornstarch, like, okay, let me know. It's already done. We'll try and fry it out and we'll see how it goes. Yeah. So in the meantime, you can tell me where I can get the real cornmeal or polenta. Okay. So our set aside, it has tumegura kidogo. So you take a little bit of the flour and roll it and set it aside. I'm gonna do this to the remaining pinch and then fungusha and set it aside. So now this is the last one. I've done like this. So to have that shape, your shape oval shape. He says like you do like this with your thumbs and roll it, girl. Okay, I don't know if it's going to work. I don't know if it's working. Okay. So I've really tried it. It looks like something like that. So I'm gonna do them to the remaining one, and then we're gonna deep fry it in a 300 degrees Celsius. Nana is the one who's going to deep fry them because I'm so bad at deep frying. I really hope it's like that. Okay, we'll do that to the remaining one. Commercial break to do this, the oval shape, but I think tumeshindwa kidogo, but at least they look something like Jamaican Festival. So we finished, and then I saw Maurice do like add more of like flour, spread it a bit, and then we're gonna deep fry them. This is how to make Jamaican festivals the Jamaican way. They're also called Caribbean dumplings. I'm so excited. It's my second time eating them. It will be the first time for my family to eat them, and I'm going to vlog them so you can see. And you're going to be honest when you taste it, right? Sour. Okay, now Nana is going to do the deep frying part. Yay! So the oil is ready. Do you see any similarities, Nana?
Like mandas, that's what I can say.
It's like mahamri,
Yeah,
the ingredients.
Like mahamri. The ingredients, but the difference is the dumplings are thick.
Huh?
Thick.
Yeah, and another shape.
And the shape is different.
So we're gonna fry it for 5 minutes each side.
Because they are thick, eh?
Yeah.
It's supposed to take time.
Are you excited?
Very excited!
So this is why I like cooking, because it's like a collaboration. collaboration.
Yeah, there's some change. You let a video hapa.
Okay, let me.
You see the difference?
Yes.
Unaona si lazima ingekuwa hiyo yellow.
Yeah, lakini nilikuwa na sister yellow, it's not yellow, ndio hizo zinakaa hivyo.
They're supposed to be ngumu sana.
Because of the cornmeal, I guess that's why it's ngumu. I don't know. They just said you cook it for 5 minutes, so I don't know.
Okay, 5 minutes ni over.
Utawa burn, ndio. Hizi recipes ufai follow kila kitu.
Zive ndani. Au inafaa kuwa ngumu kama ngumu?
No. Sijui yenyewe. Umeona hiyo picha inakaaje? Ukoona sija kutumia video.
Ile siku
ilikuwa tu ni kama crunchy.
Crunchy.
Yeah. It's smelling nice, guys. Kabisha. Afwan kwa nitaki msaada.
Ni kwa nini? Kwa kwanza. Tuonja tusikie ndo tuone kama tutachekwa hii unaona. Ndio.
Mimi ndo naonja maonja.
Si utachukua.
Okay. So the first bunch is done. Later we have some technicalities. We couldn't get cornmeal, so we're gonna try it like that. So wacha nitaonja nionyeshane tu hivi. So this is the first bunch. Oh, it's hot. This is the first bunch. And this is how it looks inside. This is how it looks inside. What's the taste? Huh? What do you feel?
It's so sweet.
It's nice.
It's giving me an orgasm.
Food orgasm.
Food orgasm. Don't take it wrong.
So here it is. I'm so excited. So first bite. It's good. This is good. It's crunchy. Oh my god, this is so good. I like it. So why are you doing that?
Doing what?
Yes.
So that it can be well what?
Coated.
Swahili ni gumu mama. But itabidi. I think I should be married by a Jamaican. No.
Yes.
I want a black American.
Unajitangaza kwa bei nafuu.
Najitangaza kwa bei nafuu. I want black American. I'm single.
So,
I want a down to earth man. Not rich, but average.
not rich, why you blocking
But what I'm
blessings?
saying, I don't want mtu mwenye tutatero. I don't want someone who will suffer. I want my kids' future. Not kid, because I want one kid to be bright and their foundation to be better than mine. As you can see, my qualities, I'm a good cook. I'm a dancer. I can
Jesus.
yes, with a cat too.
So tumefanya haraka yake. Umezipenda nana ukweli? Umezipenda?
Napenda hiyo taste. Unaenda wapi?
Songesha mama.
Kwa petu.
Songesha tu.
Hizi tu zinanukanga huko hivi.
Zinanukia
foto.
So and that's how, like, you guys, this will be the okay. I think this will be the end of this video. This was not a tutorial how to. This is me trying Jamaican cuisines, and if you like me to try a cuisine, send me a DM with the recipe of your culture, traditional cultural food or cuisine, and I'll do it. Until next time, so bye bye.